Greg here with Rhinotech. I'm up in our Minnesota facility where we do all our manufacturing and distribution. I wanted to talk to you about a product that we've had in the market for some time, but we don't talk about it very often. Subsequently, we want you to be aware of it, and at the same time, I think you might find this really interesting. It's called RhinoSol Blockout. It comes in quarts and, of course, in gallons. It also has a catalyst for it so that it makes it a permanent blockout. What you do with this is that we have our ½ ounce of catalyst. We mix it with our product. At that point, it becomes solvent resistant. It's good for about 5 days of use as long as you keep it in a sealed container. Or you can simply pour down a percentage of it into a squeeze bottle such as this, and with your catalyst, put it together. And that way you can store the rest and it'll last forever virtually. What we're going to do is actually block out a screen and make it permanent. However, we have the screen here, no image on it whatsoever. What we want to do is create a window that is going to be used every time we make a screen. Subsequently, we're never going to have to come back and block it out again. It also will help even bond the mesh to the fabric even a little bit better. So we have our screen. It's been cleaned. What I have is a piece of cardstock. This happens to be 1117 that I'm going to use to create my window. And the other aspect, you could use a nice coated piece of paper as well, but I'm going to use this one instead. So we have that. I get it in position. I'm not going to tape it down. All I'm going to do is take my blockout and I'm going to put a little puddle in here and my squeegee. And I'm going to bring it out, go around all the edges. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to get in and do a tight shot so you can really see what I'm doing here. So as you can see, we have our blockout. It's a blue color, which makes it easy to see when you're putting it down. Keep spreading it around. Get a little more here. As you're noticing, I didn't tape it down, so I'm making sure I'm holding this in position. Now that I've gone all the way around the surface, I'm going to fill in between the frame and the piece of cardboard. Pretty simple to do. You can use this on all different mesh counts. This happens to be a 230, but of course we could use it on 110, 125, and so forth. This would be classified about 100 centipoint product, so it has a little body to it. We shouldn't have much leakage coming through. Remember, this becomes permanent, so when we clean our screen, it's not going to come off, even with your chemicals and so forth. Okay, give it one last spread here. We've coated that. Now what I'm going to do is peel my cardboard off, and I've created a window so that when I come back and I do my coating of my emulsion, I'm going to coat out to the edges right over that area, and I'm going to have a nice coating. I don't have to come and block it out afterwards. So the other part of this that I like is at this point I can take this, put a little bead down in the corner in that edge, and that's going to give me even a greater bond to the frame, and at the same time make sure I'm sealing that edge completely so I'm not going to get any leakage of ink if I happen to get over to that area. That is it. Dry it. You're ready to go. Coat your screens, expose them, wash them out, and you're done. Simple, easy, permanent blockout. RhinoSol Blockout. Number RB201. Remember that, RB201. Okay, I hope this was informative. And the thing to remember here is that you're going to have this done, you're going to do it once. You're not going to have to do it every time you make a screen. You're not going to have to tape it out. You're not going to have to block it out. You're not going to have to peel the tape afterwards. So you're going to save a lot of money in the long run because it's going to be that simple, that easy to use. Production time will be faster. So again, it's RB201 Permanent Blockout. Thanks. You know where we are. Come and check it out. Thank you.